car. Come on.
Please let go of me.
No.
Please let go of me.
On August 9, 2023, police in Ohio responded to a check cashing store after staff flagged a woman attempting to cash a $28,000 check using an ID employees did not believe was genuine or authentic. What began as a routine, voluntary document check became an investigative detention the moment the officer retained her identification card to verify it, a threshold governed directly by Terry v. Ohio, decided in 1968. Terry v. Ohio requires reasonable, articulable suspicion to support a detention like this one. The store's own report about the check and the ID gave the officer that specific, documented, on-the-record basis to act.
Miss, you being helped with them right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Do you mind, you have paperwork for her? Yeah. Ma'am, do you have your ID on you?
No, that's the only one. I'm getting a new one. I'm waiting for the BMV to send me like the hard plastic copy.
Okay.
Yeah.
You mind if I see that?
Yeah.
Okay.
The issue.
The IX number to my car.
Just taking a look at this real fast.
Okay.
Is this your current address on here?
Yes.
Quebec?
Yes, Quebec, yes.
Okay.
Is there an issue?
Possibly. We're gonna take a look here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what is the issue?
We just want to make sure that this is a proper document.
Okay, that's fine.
You got this from the DMV?
Yes.
Okay. All right, give me just a moment, okay?
Okay. I mean, I got, everything is, legit. I got it from, this I got from where I work. I don't currently work there anymore. I quit after this, and then I got that from the DMV.
Okay. Mm-hmm. All right, give me just a second here, okay?
Okay. And he can even call and verify it. I'm pretty sure there's a number somewhere. And then I have this tool also. This one here. That
Is that on there?
This just says your address.
Gotcha. $205, copy of DL.
79 copy. 205.
Robert Zebra 104347.
You break it.
Thank you.
Alright, go ahead and turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Oh, can I?
Nope.
I have to call.
Nope.
I have to call.
Right now, you're gonna put your hands behind your back.
Okay, can I put this in
Put
my
this,
pocket, please?
just put it on the counter.
Okay,
Put it
I'm
down.
gonna Put it in my
Put it on the
pocket.
counter.
Okay, I'm going to.
Hey.
Oh, is that right there?
Hey, I have to call my kids.
Okay,
I
we'll
have
get
to
there.
make sure who has my
Keep
kids
your hands
knows
behind your
what's
back.
going
Stop
on.
going. Stop.
I don't know what the issue is.
We're gonna figure that out here, okay?
Okay, so I'm being put in
Just relax here.
cuffs?
Yes, just
What?
relax.
You're not even telling me what is going on. I don't understand.
We'll get to that.
I've never been in a situation like this. Like, I'm completely confused. Like, and you're not even telling me what's going on.
Your license isn't coming back to you. It's not a Not an Ohio driver's license. It's a fake one.
How is it fake?
Put them right here.
Got them.
You gotta pick them. Stop. Don't reach into anything. Stop.
No, because
Stop.
that's a violation of privacy. Oh my God. Yes, it is.
No.
Yes, it is. You just can't go through my
Stop
things
pulling
like
on the
that.
cuffs.
They hurt.
You're under arrest.
They hurt.
Stop.
The officer soon confirmed the license was not a valid Ohio driver's license at all, and that the underlying check was fraudulent, which shifted the legal standard here from mere suspicion to full probable cause for arrest. Once probable cause for a crime exists, an officer may lawfully take a person into custody without a warrant. That is the exact point where this encounter legally became an arrest, not simply an extended investigative stop. As she was told the license had come back as fake, she reached toward her belongings and pulled away from the officer, prompting him to apply hand control in order to complete the handcuffing and secure the store scene. Under Graham versus Connor, decided by the Supreme Court in 1989, the reasonableness of any force used is judged from a reasonable officer's perspective in that exact moment, never with the benefit of hindsight afterward. The body cam footage shows hand control applied in direct response to her pulling away, with no strikes and no weapon involved at any point, which places this response within the lower tiers of most departmental force policies.
You don't have to do all this. Like, you're hurting me.
Keep your hands still.
Okay, I'm
Stop.
trying to put them down. If you
Okay,
would
then put them
stop.
down. Stop reaching for stuff.
Oh my God, what can I reach for? You're
Back down
hurting
these
me.
pockets.
I don't have nothing in my pockets.
Stop.
Okay, can you please let go of me? I'm not gonna go nowhere.
No,
There's
that's not
three
how
of
this
y'all,
works.
and I'm one person. Please do not touch my ass.
I'm just back
Okay,
of my
that's
hand.
fine, but I don't feel comfortable with you doing that.
I'm just doing it for officer safety here. It's the
Oh
back of my hand.
God.
Stop
Can you
reaching.
please
No.
let go
We're
of
going to the-
me.
No, we're going to the car. Come on.
Please let go of me.
No.
Please let
No.
go of me. You're hurting me, bro.
Hey, walk.
Okay, I am. Can you please let go?
No.
You are hurting me. You are hurting me.
Out.
You're hurting me because
By walking?
the cuffs are pulling on my wrist. They're hurting me.
Well, they're not meant for comfort.
Okay, but they don't have to be this tight. I'm one little ass person. There's three of you. It's just ridiculous. Please let go of me.
No.
Please let go of me. Please let go. You're hurting me.
Go ahead and take a seat.
You're hurting me.
Seat.
I don't care. You're hurting me.
Buckle you in so you don't get hurt.
How the fuck am I gonna get hurt? I'm in the back of the fucking car.
Because it's state law to have you buckled in.
Can you at least move it?
Go ahead and turn the car on, turn the camera on. No, they're properly spaced.
No, they're not. They're tight. I'm telling you,
They're not.
they hurt. They are tight. How are you gonna tell me? They're on me. They're not on you.
You find a real ID?
Yeah, I gave this one. What's your last name? Read her rights and
You want to go ahead and read her rights and let her know what's going on, see if she wants to answer any questions?
Yeah. Give me a second. I'm sorry. I'm thinking of Miranda here. Let me make sure I got it right.
Here's who she actually is.
Gotcha.
I'll let you do that.
Is that even a good trip? $28,000.
Back at the station, her purse and its contents, including several identification cards, were placed into inventory as part of a standard booking procedure carried out before the items were formally logged into property. Illinois versus Lafayette, a 1983 Supreme Court decision, holds that police may routinely search an arrestee's personal effects at booking as part of an inventory without needing separate probable cause for that particular search. Ohio Revised Code Section 2913.49 defines identity fraud as obtaining, possessing, creating, or using another person's identifying information. On its own, the base offense is treated as a felony of the 5th degree in Ohio. Under that same identity fraud statute, the felony degree rises with the total dollar value connected to the offense, a detail that matters directly here given the size of the fraudulent check involved in this particular case. Ohio Revised Code Section 2913.31 defines forgery, which separately covers the falsified identification document itself. Its base offense is also a felony of the 5th degree, and it likewise scales upward with the value involved. At a value near $28,000, the forgery statute's own sentencing brackets place this case much closer to a felony of the 3rd degree, well above the statute's lowest baseline offense category.
Did they say if the check was bad or just the ID?
I'm sure they just checked the ID. She's got somebody else's social here. I'll let you go through all this.
Okay. Thank you.
First and foremost, and then
Okay. Yeah, let me just gather my thoughts for a second.
Yeah.
So this was in here, and then
She has a forged government document
okay,
in someone else's name.
gotcha.
she's got other people's
There's another-
information in there.
Okay.
Can I make a phone call, please?
Yeah, when we get to jail.
I'm not gonna be there long.
Let me just set this on the seat for a second.
Sure.
I'm allowed a bond. I need to call for my kids.
All right, we can take care of that later. Okay.
Okay, how? What's
So
later?
you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court.
Okay, I have one question. Am I allowed a bond?
You have the right to an attorney if you cannot afford one.
Am I allowed a bond, though? This is what I'm
We'll get
asking.
all this stuff figured out. Do you have any questions right now?
Just, I need to make a couple phone calls.
We'll get that figured out later, okay?
What's later? I have to get a hold of my kids so they know what's going on.
We have to get to jail and process it first.
Yeah, you'll get a call later.
What's later, though, is what I'm asking. I'm going to be worried. I have to call my fiance.
Okay. Alright. Do you want to answer any questions about what's going on here today?
No, I don't.
No?
I'd rather be quiet because you guys are known to twist words.
But yes, she said somebody was able to.
I do have one question. When am I going to be able to get my belongings?
$300 in cash and
Excuse
put
me?
them all back into her purse.
Excuse me?
She said she canceled
Excuse
the
me?
numbers that were taken
Excuse me?
when she started getting fraud alerts on the.
Excuse me? Hello?
Hello.
Hello? When am I going to be able to get my belongings? Excuse me? Hello? When am I going to be able to get my belongings? That's the only question I have.
Man, we're gonna get that figured out, okay?
Why can't you
You're
tell
going to
me
jail, and then We're gonna
anything?
get you booked in.
Why can't you tell me anything?
And then we'll figure out about your belongings, okay?
Will I be able, if I get bonded, will I be able to receive them back? My ID and my phone and my purse?
We'll get that figured out. I'm not sure all the details yet. We're looking through here and just trying
Why
to figure it out, okay?
Can't you tell me? You're the one that has my belongings.
3 socials, 2 jail, 3 jail.
At the station, officers formally told her she was under arrest for identity theft, and detectives separately noted that she was in possession of more than one identification card, each bearing a different name. When later asked if she wanted to answer any questions, she declined, telling officers plainly, quote, "I'd rather be quiet because you guys are known to twist the words," end quote, a clear invocation of her rights. Under Miranda versus Arizona, a landmark 1966 Supreme Court decision, that statement properly and clearly invokes her right to remain silent. From that point forward, her silence cannot be legally held against her in court. During later formal questioning, she stated that a man she had met through Facebook had supplied her with the check and had separately promised her $2,000 if she successfully managed to cash it for him. Public reporting connected to this footage does not include any verified court record, formally filed charges, or a confirmed sentencing outcome. The case status therefore remains unknown at the time of this legal analysis. Reviewing the decisions made here, not the person herself retaining the ID for verification, was a low-intrusion step squarely within Terry, and arresting her once fraud was confirmed tracked real probable cause, not a mere hunch. On her side, Volunteering long, unprompted explanations early on gave investigators more specific claims to check and verify, while pulling away once cuffed added an entirely separate use of force question to the official record. Her choice to go silent once she reached the station, and to plainly state her reason for doing so, was the one decision in this entire encounter that clearly and measurably worked in her favor under the law. The lesson here is short and transferable. Adrenaline drives the choices that create brand new legal problems, and the first 60 seconds of any police stop matter more than almost anything said or done afterward. Silence and a request for a lawyer are protections under the law, not admissions of guilt, and they apply just as fully to someone who has done nothing wrong as they do to someone who genuinely has broken the law. Never hand the other side a second, independent case against yourself. A false name, a fabricated document, or a physical struggle can each stand on their own as separate charges, whatever the underlying stop actually involved.
The socials that are in there belong to me and my children. And you can look that up and you'll see that that's proof. Those socials are my children's and mine. Well, not even mine. Mine isn't in there, but my children's. I have 3 children, and I could tell you their names and their birthdays. Those are theirs. They're all my children. So everything in that wallet is mine. And it's nothing else. And like I said, you can look it up and you can see for yourself. Everything in my purse and my wallet belongs to me. And they're all legit. Like I said, you can look them up and you can check. And the 2 IDs in there are both mine. They both have my ID, my names on them, and my address. One is a passport photo, and the other one is a regular BMV one. I went to the Walgreens on Clark yesterday and got that done. The passport ID. And you can also look into that and see that that's the truth.
Anything else in there?
Not that I'm seeing that has any relevance.
Like I said, everything is mine and legit. Other than that,
Let him get out of here. So, what?
those ones are mine. Those ones are legit.
Okay, we still have to pound them anyway until you can prove that they are yours. Okay?
You can call the Social Security office.
We
I
have
can
to
tell you
impound
the names on those. I have 3 children. So why are they being taken? Like I
It's
said,
all going to go with your property. It's all going to be impounded.
Impounded. What does that mean?
It means it's going into our property.
Okay,
That's
would
where
I be
people
able
keep
to give it
property.
back?
Yeah.
Because I can't replace those.
Yeah. We have a property clear. You get your stuff back once we're done. As long as you're able to prove that they're yours, then yes, you'll get them back.
You can call the
detective will
Social
do that.
Security
Yeah.
office on 73rd.
A detective will do that.
Everything in that, especially the 2 IDs, are mine in the purse.
Okay.
And you can check up with Walgreens on Clark. I went and got the passport ID yesterday.
Okay. Well, right now you're under arrest for identity theft. Okay?
Whatever. I'm trying to take care of my kids.
Hey, thanks.
Possession of.
Well, she's also in possession of a driver's license that has info on it too. So it's identity theft at the very least.
At the very least, yeah.
How many IDs does she have with different names on it in her picture?
This is the same.
Those are both the same?
Yeah, this is the same driver's.
So just the one? And then she's claiming these 3 social
Just
cards are her
piece-
children's,
Yeah, piece of paper.
which all have the same last name, I believe, as hers. Correct? Fuller? Yeah.
Yeah.
Which that might all check out. So a paper ID for identity theft right now. Then we'll see about this check. All right. Thank you guys. Thank you.
How much time can I get for this?
Okay, so what they say? They said the check
They
was
said it's a
good?
good check.
Okay, it's just under that other lady's
Yeah,
name.
it's under someone else's name.
Okay.
But it's a valid check.
Alright.
Hello? How much time can I get for this?
That I don't know. That's up to a judge.